It might not seem like much, but the door closing system is crucial to the safety function and compliance of your chemical cabinet. But what sets Storemasta's patented SAFETCLOSE sequential door closing system apart? Let's dive into what makes this system great. The SAFETCLOSE system shuts your cabinet doors automatically, but also in sequence. Our hydraulic action doors ensure a firm yet smooth and gentle closure, preventing jams, slams or sparks that could ignite dangerous chemicals or fumes in your cabinet. With adjustable closing speeds, you can ensure that every closure is perfect. Our lockable L-handle door fastener adds an extra layer of security, ensuring only authorised personnel have access to your hazardous materials. But it's not just about safety, it's also about longevity and reliability. Our door closing system is designed for years of flawless operation, minimising the risk of human error and ensuring your cabinet performs as it should. At Storemasta, safety meets innovation. Contact us today to boost safety at your workplace.